In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Shopify for your Amazon FBA store, integrating the two platforms for a seamless business operation. Whether you're just starting out or looking to simplify and augment your existing process, this tutorial will guide you from start to finish in integrating Amazon functionalities with your Shopify store. Let's begin by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged into your account, it's time to head straight to the core of where all customization and settings live. Look around for the Settings icon. It's typically located at the bottom left of your dashboard. Clicking on Settings will open up a whole new list of options where you can adjust different aspects of your store operations. Next, locate and click on the Apps and Sales Channels tab. This is where you'll manage applications that link your store to numerous services, one of which will be Amazon. It's an area worth becoming familiar with since apps are a crucial part of enhancing and automating your store functionalities. After selecting Apps and Sales Channels, you'll then need to open the Shopify App Store. This can easily be done by clicking the corresponding option on your screen. The App Store is a treasure trove of applications that can help enhance the reach and efficiency of your online business. Within the App Store's search bar, type in Amazon J. This will help you pinpoint the specific Amazon integrations available for Shopify. From the list of results, you'll want to pay special attention and select the integration that best fits your business needs. Now, proceed with selecting Amazon. This app will facilitate the linking between your Shopify store and your Amazon FBA catalog, ensuring seamless order flows and inventory synchronization without the fuss. Once you've clicked on the Amazon option, search within this app suite for Amazon MCF and Buy with Prime. The next step is crucial as it involves confirming your choice. You'll want to click again on Amazon MCF and Buy with Prime to add it to your Shopify account. This dual functionality allows you to manage multi-channel fulfillment and adds the compelling value proposition of Prime to your audience. It integrates directly with Amazon's powerful fulfillment network, adding both speed and reliability to your delivery options. With these steps completed, you've successfully integrated Amazon FBA capabilities within your Shopify store, setting the stage for a more dynamic, efficient, and customer-centered shopping experience. This integration helps you manage your store with greater ease and allows you to leverage Amazon's vast logistics reach, perfectly complementing Shopify's powerful e-commerce tools. And there you have it, a step-by-step walkthrough of getting your Shopify store set up with Amazon FBA. Thanks for watching and enjoy the newfound efficiency and performance of your e-commerce operations.